Chocolate mousse never goes out of style. It is elegant and rich with a deep chocolate flavor, but my next guest will serve it up for a tableside show. Recipe creator Amy Richardson will treat us today to tableside mousse. Are you kidding me? So we've heard of tableside guac.
Right?
Same idea?
Same idea. Okay, so I happened to see something where they were kind of doing something like that, and I thought that's kind of a fun idea to have these tableside desserts that they give you like a scoop of something and they put on what you want on it. So I thought, why not make it into a chocolate mousse?
Okay, this is so fun. The mousse itself, and can we just pause? Let's just pause and give lovely tribute to this amazing display. Great for a shower, great for a brunch.
Yes, even a graduation. Anything where you want to do something really that's easy for you, but that has kind of a little bit of a wow factor, whether you wanted to add it to a menu or a standalone menu.
Oh my gosh, the menu, it just sets the scene, doesn't it? People feel, I think, special. It's a specialty spread.
It is. In fact, it was so funny because Ozma, my daughter, and I were talking about what makes people feel special, and we decided that having something in glass.
Yes.
Well, I don't know
in this
why.
world of plastic. I serve every Sunday on like real china
you
plates.
Do?
I do.
Oh,
and
I love
it makes everyone so nervous, but I'm like, I just feel like that's a Sunday appropriate presentation.
Yeah, and it makes them feel loved. I don't know if it's because we're doing the dishes afterwards or what, but the glass.
Ozma just got her cameo, by the way. She's like our glass girl over there in the corner. Yeah, okay. The mousse itself is so simple.
It is. Okay, so this is a recipe that I actually made like 25 years ago when I was needing to make mousse for something, but it has, classic mousse has egg whites in it, and you can't serve it to like old people or children, and I was like, how am I going to do this? And so I came up with this idea, and then I saw that other people have too, so I wasn't a genius on my own.
Well, you did invent
it, though. But I thought I
created it. I've done that a couple of times.
A few times you're like, I'm a genius, but it only needs 2 ingredients, and for this, because you're making a huge amount of it, what you're going to want to do is you just want to go to Costco and get that cream, and then buy this is all you need for the party, actually. This is it.
Okay.
So, and you can use any kind of chocolate you like, but this has got a really good flavor.
So we whip the cream and then we melt the chocolate.
Right, this is a ganache. So you're gonna pour like 3 cups of this over 5 cups of the chocolate until you've got it like this.
Got it, and then fold it in.
And then what you're gonna wanna do is you just wanna, I'm sorry, I'm worried about that thing. You're gonna wanna lighten it. So the key is to just take out a little bit of cream.
Okay.
And lighten it, just stirring it straight in, like maybe like, a quarter of it or a third, and you don't have to fold it. You know, they always, you're just gonna stir it, and then it'll lighten it.
Yeah.
So then you can fold after that, and
that's our mousse.
And that's your mousse. And then you just refrigerate it, and you can actually use this mousse in like anything. If you wanted to make a chocolate pie, like a s'mores pie, or a German chocolate pie, or a filling in a cake.
Easy does it.
Any of it, and then you just fold the rest of it in, and you've got your chocolate mousse, and you're ready to go for your party.
Mousse for the masses is now easily accomplished. Take us over to these toppings. I'll keep stirring because this is where it gets fun.
No, you don't have to.
I want to.
Well, okay. Anyways, I thought it would be fun to add just like some fun toppings. I saw something, and I'm not sure that I believe in it, but that you put olive oil on chocolate mousse.
Oh.
And it was really interesting because I've been asking people, I was like, I don't know about that.
What is that supposed to do?
It's like creamy or something wonderful. Actually, I haven't tried it, but I thought you could.
She's like, but if you want to risk it, go ahead.
It is an interesting idea, though. I thought it was interesting. But like just getting up a spoon of chocolate mousse and putting on sea salt flakes or pistachios, chocolate curls, sliced almonds, kind of anything you want. Then I thought it might be kind of fun. When I saw a drizzle of it on it, at first I thought that's not olive oil. And so I thought, oh, maybe it's a flavored syrup. So I found these little flavored syrups that are by Tirani that are just like things that would go with chocolate. There's hazelnut, and there's Irish cream, and there's vanilla.
What are those intended for? Like an ice cream bar?
I think it's just for
a drink mix?
A little drink mix. I also thought some of the flour ones might be interesting. People might like those if it's a girl party, like there's rose and violet.
For a little drizzle,
and just do a little bit of drizzle on the top of your mousse.
This is amazing.
I don't know.
I want to call this, and I hope this is a compliment, almost like faux fancy. I mean, we have the glass and the beautiful setup, but the mousse is so simple.
Right.
And the ingredients, once you spread that out, it does feel so elegant.
And it's kind of like nothing. Like
easy elegance.
But it looks beautiful, and people would, and I love that I think it's fun to use a couple different size of glasses. That way you have people that maybe want to try different flavors, they can have a little tiny one.
Yes.
And all your women, everybody will have a small one, no matter what. And then
But
there's
then they'll
those
come
of
back
us that come back for
seconds
more.
and thirds.
Yeah, right. Or those that want to have a big one. You know, they know what they want.
I don't even try. I just,
That's me too. I'm the big one. So,
With
but
raspberry, sea salt, pistachios for a crunch. What a lovely idea, Amy. I love it. Tableside mousse. Easy elegance at its finest. Where can we get more ideas from you, sister?
just follow me on Instagram at Amy Parker Richardson.
This is fantastic.
So,
I am like tapping
you.
my toes to find a party or an occasion to do this for.
Good.
So
I love
thank
it.
you.
Thank you.